In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Evernote, a fantastic way to streamline your productivity and keep everything organized. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Trello board. So go ahead and log into your account at Trello.com. Once you're in, navigate to your Boards page. That's where all your projects are. Take a moment to select the specific board where you want to set up this integration. Just a quick note, keep in mind that power-ups, which are Trello's way of adding extra features, are enabled per board. This means if you want to link multiple boards, you'll need to repeat these steps for each one of them. Once you're on the board you've chosen, let's move on to the next step, installing the Evernote power-up. Look towards the top right area of your screen where you'll see an option for power-ups. Click on that, and then select the Add Power-Ups option. This will open up a directory that houses all these nifty features. Now to find Evernote, use the search field. Just type in Evernote and hit Enter. You should see it pop up in the results. Click on the matching result, and then look for the Add button. It's usually pretty easy to spot. Give that a click, and before you know it, the integration will be enabled on your board. Next, we need to authorize your Evernote account so that Trello can access your notes and sync with it seamlessly. In the Evernote Power-Up panel, look for the Settings option and click on it. You should see an option that says Authorize Account. Clicking this begins the secure connection process, which is a crucial step to ensure your data remains safe. After clicking Authorize Account, you'll see an option that says Link your Evernote account. Click on that and an authorization pop-up window will appear. If prompted, log in using your Evernote credentials. Once you're logged in, take a moment to review the requested permissions. This step is really important as it helps you understand what Trello will be able to access. Now, if everything looks good to you, go ahead and click the Authorize button to finalize the link between Trello and Evernote. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Evernote. Now you can easily create cards in Trello that link directly to your notes in Evernote, making it much easier to keep your projects and information connected. If you're a fan of productivity hacks, this integration can really help you streamline your workflow and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for joining me today in this integration tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video if you found it helpful. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next one.